In this lesson, we will see how the plural forms in English are formed. Or, in other words, how to say to what? To cars, for example. There are a lot of exceptions. In fact, there are spelling rules. So I have prepared you a lot of pictures with a lot of examples, and we will understand everything. It's easy. So let's get started. When you say you already know the basic rules. It's easy to remember that is the same as one. So a car or one car is the same. When you want to say three, then you say three cars. The same. A chair, 8 chairs. How is the plural formed? From these words you can see, you have the word in singular. This is called singular when something is one. A car, one car. Car is in singular. The plural is formed when you add s to the singular. More examples. A flower, 3 flowers. A cup, 4 cups. Okay? It's clear. You have the singular. After that, the plural is formed with s. You just add s at the end of the singular form. And the plural form is used when you speak about 2 or more things. A car, 3 cars. What happens when the word in singular finishes in s? For example, you can't say a bus to bus, right? You need something. You need to make it easy to hear. So you say a bus to buses. Or a bush, again, you can't say to bushes. You say for bushes. You add e. A bus to buses, a bush for bushes. A brush to brushes. A box, 3 boxes. So the rule is that when the singular noun finishes in s or sh or x or tch as watch, and you want to make the plural form, you add es. Remember this one. At the beginning, students find it really difficult. So a bus, 2 buses. You add es, you read it normally. You don't try to say bus, right? Or bush. This one I've heard box or bush. It doesn't work on that way. Brushes, boxes, watches. Get. Another example. A baby, 2 babies. A dictionary, 4 dictionaries. Okay, you don't know the rule, but what you notice? Pay attention to the letters in red. by, baby, babies, ies. Okay, so there is something that changes, and it is changed in the way you write the plural form. The rule: when the singular, you know already singular, one, finishes in consonant plus y, consonant, you know, b, c, d, f, okay? So when the singular noun finishes in consonant plus y, then in plural you add es and y is changed into I. Remember this one. You will need the same rule when it comes to verbs. Okay? For now, just remember about plural. Baby, babies, ies. Dictionary, dictionaries. I-E-S. Important. When the word finishes in consonant plus Y. And why it is important, look at this example. A key, two keys, nothing changes. Or a boy, three boys, nothing changes. You keep Y and just add S. So when the singular noun finishes in vowel plus Y, as boy, toy, key, then you form the plural when you just add S. Nothing changes. Good. Scarf, scarves. Thief, thieves. So what you notice here, the final letter is F when we speak about the singular noun. It finishes in F. In plural, F is changed into V-E-S. A scarf to scarves. A thief to thieves. This is the rule, and it is the same in these examples. Wife to wives. Knife to knives. Which means when the noun in singular finishes in F as scarf or FE as knife, then in plural you change F with VES. One scarf, five scarves. One knife, three knives. And we are almost over, but almost. I told you that there are a lot of exceptions in English. That's it. The first place when you really need to memorize these words. A man to men, not men's. A man to men. A child, one child, to children. Be careful here. A child to children, not children, as people sometimes pronounce it. Or a woman for women. Difference in the pronunciation. Woman, women. A foot to feet. Now is the time to start writing in your notebook or notepad or whatever. These pairs of words are important. So, woman, women, foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. A tooth to teeth. A mouse to mice. And it's enough almost with the examples. Okay, two more I prepared. A sheep to sheep. Here be careful. When you use sheep in plural, you don't add anything. You don't change anything. It's the same word, just used in different context. And because it's in different context, you need to be careful. What about when we start studying the verbs you will understand? But just remember for now, a sheep to sheep, no difference in the form. The same here, a fish to fish, that's it. You don't say two fishes in the general case. Again, exception, but this is a long story. Yet, so far it was enough with the exceptions, with the rules, and so on. Please watch it again if you need. Write down all of the spelling rules because they are basic and they are really important. You will understand this one when we start studying the verbs, and as soon as you remember them, it will be easier for you. Just try to memorize everything now, then it will be really easy. Exercises, let's check the PDF. The first exercise, you need to write the plural. The words are in singular, you need to write the plural. And the second exercise, there are mistakes in the sentences, you need to correct them. So in the next lesson, you will find the answers, and we will also make a revision of the rules. See you there.